Hello, it's Super Easy Math again. In this video, we'll talk about the range of different functions. So let's get started. The easiest method to find the range is to graph the function first. So f of x equal to x is a straight line that passes through the origin, like that. We can take also particular points. So for x equal to 0, f of x equal to 0, and for x equal to 1, f of x equal to 1. Now to find the range, just look at the y-axis. The lowest y value is minus infinity, so here the line will go down till it reaches minus infinity, and the highest y value is plus infinity, so we can say that the range is minus infinity plus infinity. F of x equal to x minus 3, it's the same graph, but it's shifted down by 3 units on the y-axis, so 1, 2, 3, like that. Now the lowest y value is also minus infinity, because here it will continue going down until it reaches minus infinity, and the highest y value is plus infinity, so the range of this function is minus infinity plus infinity. F of x equal to minus x plus 2. So to graph this function, we can take particular points. For x equal to 0, f of x equal to minus 0 plus 2 equal 2, so here is 0, 2. For x equal to 1, f of x equal to minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Now look at the y values. So the lowest y value is minus infinity, so the graph will continue going down, and the highest y value is plus infinity, so the range of this function is also minus infinity plus infinity. So as a conclusion, we can say that the range of any linear function of the form f of x equal ax plus b is always minus infinity plus infinity. Another examples, f of x equal to x squared, it's a parabola that has the general shape like that. Now look at the y value. So the lowest y value is 0, and the highest y value is plus infinity. So the range of this function is 0 plus infinity. 0 is included, so we'll put a bracket like that instead of the parentheses. F of x equal to x squared plus 2. It's also a parabola, but it's shifted up on the y-axis by 2 units. So here is 1, 2. So it will be like that. So the lowest y value here is 2, and the highest y value is plus infinity. So the range of this function is 2 plus infinity. F of x equal to minus x minus 3 squared. Let's analyze this graph first. So if f of x equal to minus x squared, it's also a parabola, but it's inverted like that. So this one is f of x equal to minus x squared. Because we have here minus 3 into the parentheses, then it's shifted on the x-axis to the right by 3 units, like that. So this will be f of x equal to minus x into minus 3 squared. Now the lowest y value is minus infinity, and the highest y value is 0. So the range of this function is minus infinity 0. So 0 is included, so we'll put a bracket. F of x equal to minus into x plus 1 squared minus 1. So this is f of x equal to minus x squared. Just notice here, when we have minus, we go to the right. Here we have plus, so we should go to the left by 1 unit. And outside the parentheses we have minus 1, so we should go 1 unit down, so it will be like that. So here the lowest y value is minus infinity, and the highest y value is minus 1, so the range of this function is minus infinity minus 1 included. Another examples. F of x equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. It's a quadratic equation. So because here it's square, then it's also a parabola. All what we need to do is to find its vertex. So here the lowest point is called the vertex. To find the coordinate of this point, x is equal to minus b over 2a. b is the coefficient of x, so it's minus 4 in this case, and here we have negative, so minus 4 equal to 4. And a is the coefficient of x squared, so it's 1 in this case. So 2 times 1 equal to 4 over 2 equal 2. To find y, just plug 2 in the equation, so y will be 2 squared equal to 4 minus 4 times 2 equal to 8 plus 5. 4 minus 8 plus 5 equal to 1. So this vertex has the coordinate 2, 1. Here is 2 and here is 1. Like that. Now, the lowest value that y take is 1. And the highest value is plus infinity. So the range of this function is 1 plus infinity. Another example. F of x equal to minus x squared plus 6x minus 10. So it's a quadratic equation. So its graph is a parabola also. But because we have here a negative sign, then it's inverted like that. Now to find the vertex, the maximum or the highest point, we will do as we did before. So x equal to minus b over 2a. b equal to plus 6, so minus 6. And a equal to minus 1, so 2 times minus 1 equal to minus 2. Minus 6 over minus 2 equal to 3. To find y, plug 3 in the equation. So y equal to minus 3 squared equal to minus 9. Plus 6 times 3 equal to plus 18. Minus 10 equal to minus 1. So x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 1 is the coordinate of this vertex. So here x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 1. So this will be our graph. Now the lowest value that y can take is minus infinity, and the highest value is minus 1. So the range of this function is minus 1 or minus infinity minus 1. F of x equal to radical x. So here we are dealing with square roots. This is the general shape of a square root function. We can take particular points also. So the lowest point that y can take is 0, and the highest point is plus infinity, because it will continue going up. So for x equal to 9, f of x equal to 3. So the range of this function is 0 plus infinity. F of x equal to radical x plus 2. So it is the same function, but it's shifted to the left on the x-axis by 2 units. So here is 1 and here is 2. So this will be our graph. So the lowest value that y can take is 0 and the highest value is a plus infinity. So the range of this function is also 0 plus infinity. F of x equal to radical x minus 2. So here f of x equal to radical x, because we have here minus 2 outside the square root, then it's shifted down by 2 units on the y-axis. So here is minus 2, like that. Now the lowest point that y can take is minus 2, and the highest point is plus infinity. So the range is minus 2 plus infinity. F of x equal to minus radical x plus 3. So let's analyze this function. So if it is minus radical x, then it's the same but inverted, so it will be like that. So here is minus radical x, but because we have here plus 3, then it's shifted up by 3 units, so it will be like that. So the lowest point that y can take is minus infinity, and the highest point is 3, so the range is minus infinity plus 3. F of x equal to x cubed, it's a graph of a polynomial, and here its general shape. So the lowest value that y can take is minus infinity, and the highest value is plus infinity, so its range is minus infinity plus infinity. F of x equal to x cubed plus 3. Let's analyze this function. Because here we have 2, then the y value is multiplied, so our graph will get closer to the y-axis, like that. And because here we have plus 3, then it's shifted up on the y-axis by 3 units, so 1, 2, 3, like that. Now the lowest value that y can take is also minus infinity, because it will come from here, and the highest value is plus infinity, so the range is also minus infinity plus infinity. F of x equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 1, so it's a polynomial, then it will has the general shape, but because here we have minus 2x squared, then it will make a shape here, but we don't care about this area, because all what we need to know is the lowest point and the highest point. So the lowest point is minus infinity, and the highest point is plus infinity, so the range is minus infinity plus infinity. And finally, f of x equal to this function. Because here we have an odd number 5 or 7, then it will be also a polynomial, so the same shape, and it will also make something here like that, but we don't care about this area. So the lowest point that y can take is minus infinity, and the highest point is plus infinity, so the range is minus infinity plus infinity. F of x equal to x plus 4 over 2x minus 5. It's a rational function, and when we deal with rational function, it's easier to find the range algebraically, not graphically, because it will take a lot of time to graph this function. So here we have f of x or y equal to x plus 4 over 2x minus 5. What we need to do is to find x in terms of y. So here y equal x plus 4 over 2x minus 5, cross multiplication, so y times 2x equal 2xy minus 5y equal to x plus 4. Just look at the all expressions that contain x, so 2xy, if you want to bring it to the other side, it will be minus x equal to 4, minus 5y to the other side equal to plus 5y. So just put the expression that contain x on one side and the other on the other side. If we take x as a common factor, we will get x times 2y minus 1 equal to 4 plus 5y. So x equal to 4 plus 5y over 2y minus 1. Now this function is defined when the denominator is not 0, so 2y minus 1 should not equal to 0, 2y should not equal to 1, then y should not equal to 1 over 2. So then the range in this function is r except 1 over 2. Hope it's clear. Goodbye.